What's up, you guys? Hey, I'm back with another fashion finesse, and today I'm gonna be finessing this men's shirt that I got from Goodwill for $2.99. Let's get it. Okay, so the first thing I did was remove the pocket, and you want to try this on because this is going to help you see where you're going to make your cut. I'm turning this into a two-piece outfit, so I'm just going to cut straight across the top, and you should have something like this, and this bottom piece is going to be my skirt. And this was way too big for me, so what I did was just take my waist measurement, and I'm going to use that measurement to cut out a piece that's going to be really fitted because I want my skirt to fit me really well. And I'm just going to cut straight up right there. Okay, so before I even sew my skirt together, I'm going to also take pieces from this blue shirt that I found from Goodwill. I'm going to cut out like the bottom part, the pocket, and the hem of the sleeve, just to lay it on my orange two-piece outfit. There's no right or wrong way to do this. You just want to, cut out fabric and just lay it where you think it would work, So just play around and have fun and be creative. I went ahead and unbuttoned the pieces, and now I'm just going to lay the bottom blue piece that I cut out. Luckily they were the same size, and that really helped a lot. So you're gonna do something like this. You want to make sure the shirt is kind of like the same size so you don't have to do too much work. So I'm just lining it up, and I'm just gonna pin it down so I can sew it. So once you get everything pinned, you just want to make sure it's even and it fits perfectly, lined up perfectly. So this is how my top is looking so far. I did remove the hem line off the blue top, and I'm just gonna wrap it around my the end of my sleeve. So just lining up the hem lines. I got my pocket, and I also got this piece that I got off the button. You just want to pin everything down. So that's what I'm gonna do before I sew it. So this is how it looks, and I'm just gonna sew where the pins are. Just make sure everything is lined up before you sew, because it'll make it easier. I'm using the original stitch as like a guide, and I'm just following that, and it just made everything easier and made the stitch come out really neat. And this is how everything looks. I didn't hem the bottom part of my shirt, I just left it like that. And now we're just gonna sew the sides together. You just want to fold it in half. Just make sure everything is lined up and it's even, and you're gonna pin the sides. So just sew where the pins are. Okay, you should have something like this. Now, because I want to add elastic around the top, I decided to just do a fold hem, basically making a tunnel, and I'm just gonna like pin all the way around. Yeah, so this is where my elastic is gonna go. So I already fed my elastic through the tunnel. I used the end pieces. So I pinned one side down, and I added a safety pin to the other and just fed it through that. And now I'm just gonna sew that piece down, like where the tunnel is. I'm just gonna sew it down. This part is optional. I took my chest measurement, divided that by 2, and I used that measurement to cut out 2 rectangular pieces. I'm making a tube top, and you just want to line them up and pin the sides down and sew where the pins are. Okay, so it should look like this, and because I want to add elastic to it, I am going to do a folded hem, basically making a tunnel that's big enough to fit my elastic, and I'm just going to pin that and do it all the way around top and bottom. You're just going to sew where your pins are. And now it's time to add the elastic. Remember to leave an opening when you're sewing. You're just going to feed the elastic through the opening that you have. And then you're going to sew the opening after you get the elastic in. So your top should look like that. Okay, so this is how it turned out. This was one of my favorite outfits, and this DIY was so easy and simple to make. Cost me less than $10, and I'm so happy with the way it turned out. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace. Peace.